Every structural giant begins as a silent fragment in the deep earth. The architect of the soil begins the first placement of the foundation.
Hydration activates the blueprint. The dormant geometry awakens.
The breakthrough. A spire of life challenges the weight of the world. The bud extends upward, looking like a miniature architectural column. Maintenance is an act of devotion, clearing the path for the ascent.
Solar collectors deployed. Energy begins to flow into the subterranean core.
Division and multiplication. The architectural complexity increases. Resistance is designed into the form, built to withstand the floods. The earth rises. The subterranean mountains are growing too large for the dark. Chemical defense, sourced from the fire, returned to the earth. Inside the peaks, a grid of reinforced cellulose ensures survival. The rare crowning. A decorative spire for the underground palace. Maturity brings strength. The golden age of the rhizome arrives.
Tactile verification. The architect confirms the integrity of the build.
The sacrifice of the leaves. All power is now stored in the mountain. Waterproofing. A natural shield for the subterranean chambers. The reveal. A golden range of mountains, born from the dark silt.
The baptism of scent. Cleansing the gold in the river of the peaks.
Contained beauty. The harvest of the Highlands is ready. The burden of excellence, moving the mountains to the valley. Refining the surface, highlighting the ridges of the Ginger Peaks. Dormant architects. The blueprint for the next generation remains. Breaking the seal. The interior of the mountain is exposed. Crystalline core. A dense landscape of warmth and energy. The essence of heat. Liquid fire trapped in a golden cage. Aroma as architecture. A fragrance that fills the senses with warmth. Deconstruction of form. From mountain peaks to golden dust. Navigating the canyon. A subterranean world of light and shadow. The infusion, releasing the mountain's spirit into the water. Shared warmth, the ultimate purpose of the subterranean mountain. Fractal logic, the same pattern, from the cell to the mountain. The skeleton of time. Even in dry states, the structure holds. The shadow of the peaks. Architecture that defines the space around it. Extraction. The pure, liquid essence of the Highland earth.
Micro-armor. A waxy cellular wall protecting the spicy treasure.
Returning to the dark. Storing the mountains for the winter. Molecular heat. The chemical engineering of warmth. The loop of life. One mountain dies, so the next may rise. Vertical integrity. Built to pull life from the deep silt. The juice vesicles sparkle like tiny amber jewels under the macro lens. Natural pipelines, transporting the fire from root to leaf. The hidden empire. A landscape of gold beneath the green. Individualism in unity. A range of mountains, each with its own story. Topography of taste. A map of resilience and heat. Organic geology. The ginger is a stone that breathes. Starch reservoirs, antimicrobial oils, and thermal energy stored for the future. The anchors, fine threads holding the structural giant in place. Detailed shot of the waxy seal at the end of a harvested ginger node.
The first fire. A taste of the mountain's raw power.
The speed of Genesis. From a fragment to a fortress. Gratitude to the earth that hides the gold and the hands that find it. Natural imperfections, the scars of the earth. 1, 50, 100, the architecture of completion. The genesis of resilience. The ginger. Subterranean architecture.
Genesis Motion. Honoring the architecture of life.